This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the image and making a safety copy. This saves your original. Once done, apply autofix or enhance to correct exposure and white balance quickly, because many issues are solved by a single tweak. Make sure to inspect highlights and shadows after auto-adjust so you know what manual moves remain. If colors look off, switch to the app's white balance picker and tap a neutral area to lock in accurate tones. This prevents overcorrection later. Now you refine both broad and targeted areas. Start with global sliders. Exposure and contrast set the scene, saturation and vibrance control color intensity, because these establish the base. Then, use local tools, brush, radial, or gradient to brighten faces, darken skies, or reduce distractions. Once done, sharpen and reduce noise while zoomed in to avoid halos. Make sure to toggle before slash after to judge balance. If a local edit looks harsh, reduce opacity, or feather the mask for a natural blend. To finish, export with the right format and size: JPEG for sharing, TIFF or PNG for high-quality prints. Once exported, view the file on the intended device to confirm color and sharpness. Make sure to apply output sharpening if printing. If you encounter banding, pixelation, or strange color shifts, undo recent heavy curves or saturation tweaks and reapply more subtle adjustments. If severe, revert to the duplicate original and re-attempt the critical step. Slow, small changes avoid reintroducing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.